इस देश के भावी संरक्षकों, आप सभी युवाओं को आज आपकी शक्ति अर्थात युवा शक्ति से परिचित कराने के लिए हम बात करेंगे युवा सशक्तिकरण, यूथ एम्पावरमेंट विषय पर। भारत की युवा शक्ति इस विश्व में अपनी अलग पहचान बनाए हुए अड़ी है। भारत का आज का युवा शिक्षित भी है, ऊर्जावान भी, प्रशिक्षित भी है और दूरदर्शी भी, लेकिन जरूरत है तो बस हमें अपनी योग्यता पहचानने की।
Let's start today's assembly with a question: how to identify our capability? I would like to call on Tushinangu and Brinda to guide us on this topic. For empowering ourselves, we need to identify our capabilities, which can be achieved through several methods. Important one being social openness, also referred to as intellect or open to experience. This constitutes a major part of our personality. People who tend to be high in trait of openness are more willing to embrace new things and fresh ideas. Openness is linked to social and political attitudes. Socially open people tend to be more politically liberal. People who are socially open are creative, intelligent and knowledgeable, interested in new things and enjoy hearing new ideas. These are all an integral part of our life and we will not be able to run away from them. So better face social openness now to make the best use of our capabilities in the greater interests of our country.
Secondly, to identify our capability, we must grasp every opportunity on our way, rather than limiting ourselves to only facing the challenges which may be tackled easily. We must throw challenges to ourselves, which may be even harder to tackle. This will ultimately open new doors, new hope, and even new capability for us. Every small step towards a good path helps us to find a capability for which we just need the proper actualization of the same. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So, nation building, what does this term signify? As the term signifies, nation building is the process of strengthening your country in every field. Who will strengthen this nation? Of course we. We as vigilant youth minds are required to shape our opinions on every matter that concerns us. Not just in our own society, but in fact the entire world as a whole. So, like previous years, this year too, Xavier's Social Sciences Society is organizing Xavier's Model United Nations, that is Youth Parliament, on 7th and 8th of November, which is a platform for every Xaverian to discuss and deliberate on political, social and economical issues. I therefore request you to participate in such events because participating in events like MUN ultimately helps us to contribute to nation building because every opinion matters. Thank you.
Thank you, Weber. By fulfilling our duties, we gradually contribute to nation building. I now invite Anjali Jain and Sahil to brief on this topic.
The first step in nation building is the fulfillment of duties. Duties towards ourselves, our family, our surroundings, our society and our country. The most basic of these duties are the duties towards ourselves. This does not mean the mere task of doing something that is important for us. Rather, it signifies the doing of tasks in a good way. Good way that follows the path of truth, determination, hard work, dedication, and the result thus generated by this good way would definitely make this nation the best.
Next comes the duties to all other, the families, society, surrounding and ultimately the nation. Believe me, once we attain the enlightenment through duties towards ourselves, we would be able to fulfill all these other duties. Because from then on we'll be having the collective aim for the nation building. Duties towards ourselves pave the path for the duties towards others. Till the time we are not following the duties towards ourselves, rest of the duties will take time or even not following to some extent. Therefore, believe in yourself and choose the right way.
आवाज नहीं उठाएंगे, कब तक इस देश के कई वर्ग संसाधनों से वंचित रहेंगे, कब तक आतंक का साया हमारे ऊपर मंडराता रहेगा, कब तक इस देश के प्रतिभाशाली युवा संसाधनों की कमी का कारण देकर इस देश के प्रति अपने कर्तव्यों से विमुख होते रहेंगे, और आखिर कब तक इस देश के भविष्य यानी हम अपने कर्तव्यों से दूर गहरी निंद्रा में सोते रहेंगे। इन प्रश्नों का विश्लेषण कीजिए और सोचिए कि आज हम किस मोड़ पर खड़े हैं। इस देश ने हमें सब कुछ दिया है, अब बारी है इस मिट्टी को अपना योगदान देने की। अंत में कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ आज की सभा को विराम देना चाहेंगे कि लोहा जितना तपता है उतनी ही ताकत बढ़ता है, सोने को जितनी आग लगे वो उतना प्रखर निखरता है, हीरे पर जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है, मिट्टी का बर्तन तपता है तब धुन पर खूब खनकता है। सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जितना जलना होगा, नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा। और हम क्रांतिकारियों के वंशज हैं, हम क्रांतिकारियों के वंशज हैं कि वो सोचे जीतना सरल होगा, कुछ ज्यादा वक्त लगेगा पर संघर्ष जरूर सफल होगा, कुछ ज्यादा वक्त लगेगा पर संघर्ष जरूर सफल होगा। हर एक संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा। इस